I thought I had my camera and microphone setup dialed in for recording in this studio, but I was wrong. Welcome back to Creator Reality, my friend. Today we're taking a look at the Fifine K688CT microphone. They did send it to me for free for testing and review, so I'm going to be upfront with you about that, but all opinions are my own. They aren't seeing it before you are. The only talking point they gave me was, hey, our company's pronounced Fifine, even if it's spelled like this, Fifine. Hey, I'm not in charge of it, but I am going to need your help with this review because while I, spoiler alert, have been very pleased with the results, I'm also hard of hearing. I don't know if you can see there. I'm kind of whispering because I'm really close to the microphone now. I'll show it to you in a second, but I wear hearing aids. I got a comment recently, why are you yelling? And, well, I don't hear well. I don't hear anything over 4 kilohertz, but I do hear a lot of times on the Rode microphone that I'm using there, a lot of background noise as you're hearing now. And then I apply my secret sauce to it, and now it sounds like this. But it still sounds tinny. It's a shotgun microphone, so it's not the same as, let me bring it in frame, this thing. This is the Fifine. And I can angle it right to me and get it dialed in pretty much where I want it. But I have found that I don't need all that processing anymore. The noise reduction is handled by the cardioid pattern or whatever. I'm not an expert in microphones. What I have found though is that this thing just knocks down the background noise like you wouldn't believe. I have an exhaust fan off frame over there. I have a window unit over there that's not currently running, but I will show or play for you later some testing that honestly just blew me away that that's what it picked up. So let's dive into the unboxing of this and see what comes in this rather large box. It was surprisingly big. All right, we're unboxing the Fifine K688CT dynamic microphone. Very nicely packaged. I'm impressed with the packaging so far. It's got a user's guide, nice thick sheet of foam. Look at that. And then, wow, this is nice. Look at this. We have a clamp for our table, and you'll be able to work it in small spaces. It's got a very long USB cord. It's got what feels like a pretty lightweight arm, but you can see it's got some sort of connection there and a connection here, and it unfolds. Okay. Ooh, that is nice. Spring-loaded. Seems pretty tight. Might need some breaking in. And then you've got the microphone itself. Very soft, plush foam here. And yep, this is the connection for on the handle. So we loosen this guy here. This will spin. Okay, that's good. So on the back of the mic, we have USB, XLR, and what looks to be gain and headphone gain. And we can also adjust here. That's nice. This is the table mount. This will go on the bottom. This will go on the top of your desk. And then once you have the tabletop mounted, all we have to do is insert this into right there. This is a test of the emergency broadcasting system. The Creator Reality Broadcasting System. This is a test of the Fifine K688CT microphone. It's currently right here. It is that far from my face, so that's what, maybe a foot tops, whereas that microphone is almost 2 feet away. Well, it is arm's length to the fur on the dead cat, where it's only, oh, it's like elbow length. It's from elbow to hand. Yeah, there you go. Elbow to hand. So that's a distance measurement. There, it fits there, right? What is it picking up? We should switch. We should listen to the road now as I say, the quick brown fox jumped over the white picket fence. And then, keeping my head perfectly still, we're going to switch to the Fifine and the quick brown fox jumped over the white picket fence. I wonder how well it does with pops close up. I'm looking at the camera. This is awkward. I'm going to look at the microphone instead. I am only this far from the microphone. Well, now I'm this far, but I was this far. Now I'm this far. Now I'm that far from that microphone. Test complete. So now I've brought the Fifine right up here into view. Hopefully you can hear me pretty well. We're going to use this audio removing this very nice foam cover. Hopefully I didn't make too much noise. You can see that it's got a cage around the microphone itself. Let's put this back on. Then it's got 4 rubber mounted isolators or rubber isolators here inside this circular cage, and I've plugged my USB cable in the back and I ran it down underneath my desk. And I have the mount over on the side. I'll show a picture here. It's on the side of my workbench, and it's really cool because if I can do this, I can collapse the stand a little bit and then I can rotate it over. This little bit just inserts into the part mounted to my workbench. So in case you didn't hear that, I'll whisper into the microphone at a much closer distance. The little stick end of the stand goes into a hole on the part that mounts to your desk. I mean, I'm not applying an EQ right now. This is just what you hear coming out of the microphone, which is plugged via USB into my Windows computer. That's what I'm getting, and I'm really trying to whisper. I'm watching OBS on the screen there, and I'm trying not to peak it too bad. It's a very sensitive mic, but because of the cardioid pattern or whatever, it's not picking up the background noise and stuff, which is really cool. It will pick up crickets. I have a couple of crickets that were living in here this week. Let me play that for you. Yeah, I had to jack up the volume quite a bit to be able to hear them, but they moved away. So they found jobs in a neighboring town, and they packed their bags and moved. So now I'm left cricketless, and it was time to record this review video. I've been listening in DaVinci Resolve, and I like what I'm hearing, honestly. Even with the gain turned fully up, it's really hard to clip this microphone. It does a good job. I mean, this whole package is under $100, and like, I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna nitpick it though, because anytime I get something for free, I look at it very closely, and now my air conditioner just fired up. So let me know in the comments below if you hear that. But the stand feels a little cheap. It's kind of like the screws are a little too tight. It might take some time to break in. It seems like it might be a little bit flimsy in the longer term, but I figured out where I want the microphone to be. So I've put it there, and I can literally just swing it back and forth and lock it in with a thumb screw, and I'm done. Like, it doesn't get any easier. This is a very not complicated thing. It blocks a bunch of background noise. The pops and the T's and the hard consonants, it picks those up well. It sounds good. What else is there to say about this? The USB cord that comes on it is like 6 feet long, so it's plenty long enough to run along the arm. I used like wire ties, and I hooked it to the arm there, and then I run it under my desk over to my computer. Plenty of length there. It's included USB-C to USB-C with a built-in C to A adapter. So since I ran out of C ports, I'm using an A port, and I plugged it into my computer and it ran. Like, it picked up a driver for it and says, cool, you got a Fifine. And it's now my default audio input. It's that easy. One of the funny things is that if you buy it off Amazon, and I'll leave links below, it comes in this box, but it comes inside of a cardboard box, which is much larger, and I was kind of surprised at how big the box is, but it's like one of those gaming boxes that, you know, you buy a computer part and it's like for gaming. So I think that's pretty neat, but it was all packaged really well and it just looks nice. Like, this is the kind of box I expect for $100, right? Not a plain cardboard box. So in summation, ipso lorem, I'm just extending the runtime. No, I kid. Don't click off the video. Click the like button and subscribe and do the other things, and tell me down below what you think of this microphone, because I'm going to put it back where I like it. I want to keep it like a foot from my mouth because I tend to be a loud talker, and now that I moved it down there, it's not peaking as bad. Anyway, that is the Fifine K688CT microphone. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the audio quality. I'm going to be using this moving forward, so there will be links below to the microphone on Amazon and to Fifine's website. I implore you to go down there and click on those links. They are affiliate links, you know, well, the Amazon one's an affiliate link, so I get a little kickback, helps me do what I do here. Every once in a while, I got to pay the bills. But again, like, other than the stand, the microphone itself seems very well built, and I've used it for quite a few tests this week. It's nice. I've rather enjoy using it. So anyway, that's enough. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, go check out this video. It's one of mine. You'll like it. And I'll see you there. John out.